In this section, we will speak about the publish and run actions that are performed within the BoomiFlow platform. A flow is automatically converted into an app. When you publish your flow, a snapshot is created. A snapshot is defined as a default version of your app. Also, a URL is generated that can be shared with others so that they can also access your app. The Publish icon is located on the right-hand side of the screen next to the Flow build canvas. Clicking on the Publish icon will open the Publish Flow window. Here you can enter comments or notes to be used as reference to versions of your flow. This is an image of the Publish Flow window or dialog box. When you click on the Publish button, your flow will be published as an app. The Publish Flow window is updated with the flow URL that can be shared with others. Here you will click on the Run button in the Publish Flow window to render your app. The Run icon is also located on the right-hand side of the screen next to the Flow canvas and just above the Publish icon. In our activities, we will publish and run when creating our flows because we want to create snapshots of our flows and have default versions of our flows created. To put it simply and in comparison to AtomSphere integration, publish is similar to deploy in AtomSphere integration and run is similar to test. You must, however, publish your flow if you wish to share it with others. If you make a change in BoomiFlow on the build canvas and do not publish your flow, the users that you share your flow with will not receive the latest version of the flow or app and therefore will not view the changes made.